Hi, I welcome you all to my kitchen. Today we'll not be cooking, rather I'll discuss, show and explain about the few types of tulsis or basils which I came across recently. Now I'll show you a kind of tulsi which is known as marwa tulsi. In Hindi it is known as marwa and in English it is known as marjoram. A herb from a sage-like plant, marjoram is commonly used as a cooking spice. It is used either in fresh or dried form in soups, omelets, stews, etc. Marjoram and oregano belong to the same family, however, both plants have their own distinctive flavor. It is an essential ingredient in the French, Italian, Greek cuisines. It is popularly called as nerve tonic. It is also known to help better blood circulation. This plant is known to be Dullaf tulsi. It is a kind of sweet basil but different from holy basil. The herbs of the basil plants are known to be very healthy, so are the seeds, which are known as basil seed, faluda seed or turkamaria seed. The black and the tear-shaped seeds are rich in protein, carbs and essential fats and are packed with good ideal of fiber. This is the second type of tulsi which I came across. It's a camphor or kapur tulsi. It is a perennial aromatic and culinary type species of basil. The plant has green color leaves and purple color flowers. It has strong camphor scent and all parts of the flower, leaves and stems are edible. It has hair all over its leaves bearing a tooth margin. You can have a closer look of it. It is mint tulsi. It is hardly perennial, growing to 45 to 60 cm in height. It has an upright growth habit with an undefined width up to 1 meter. Basil mint is easy to grow, very disease resistant and heavy yielding. It is used to make tea that helps as a digestive aid, used as a treatment for headache and fever, throat gargles and as an insect repellent. It may also be a good companion plant for vegetables due to its insect repelling nature. Ram tulsi, holy basil or green tulsis. It has got lots of names. It is one of the four main forms of tulsi that are generally recognized and cultivated for religious and medicinal purposes. Tulsi is cultivated for medicinal and religious purpose across the Indian subcontinent. It is commonly used in Ayurveda and has an important role within the Vaishnava tradition of Hinduism. Green holy basil is slightly milder than the purple holy basil. The leaves are infused in tea and are used for flavoring and salads. Medicinally, it's been used in the treatment of cold and flu, relief of gas and bloating. The oil is an antioxidant and is used for pain and arthritis. It is considered to be a natural pest repellent. Hope you all find this video useful. If you like it, then please share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.